No sta, chiuditera mità, chiuditera no sta.
Yo guys, it's Glenn here from Some Visuals here. I'm coming up with new ideas for content such as photo shoots, challenges, etc. Due to the coronavirus at the moment we're in quarantine, so I've decided to challenge a couple of photographer friends of mine to edit a raw photo I took of the model Sylvie. You know, all their links will be below. Before I go into their edit to showcase you guys how they edit the photo, I'll jump right now into how I edit the photo. So let's go. So yeah, this is the photo I chose to send to the 5 photographers. It's a photo of the model Sylvie, and this is the final edit in Lightroom. I'm about to jump into Lightroom to showcase you guys how I got to this edit. It's going to be fast, so any questions, do let me know. For editing, the first thing I focus on is the tone curve to try to create the look and the tone and the feel of the image, right? So the tone curve is where I create my edit basically. That's the base of it. Afterwards, I'll jump into the basic tab, try to enhance what I did in the tone curve with the highlights, shadows, whites, blacks. I like to dehaze a bit of my photo to kind of decontrast it, but it gives it a more of a vintage feel to it. You'll see me afterwards playing around in the colors, trying to find that detail in the colors I had before. So just to recreate the image before, right? So to recreate the image that I had, I'm trying my best to get as close as possible.
Naturaleza con su riqueza y una cultura con nuestra mezcla. Un paisaje con Dios bendiciona, boniteza con maestría valora. Un belleza con nos la mata.
And now I think I'm comfortable with how it's looking, so we're about to jump into Photoshop. And in Photoshop, I'm using the frequency separation to remove some spots from the hand and go into details on the retouching of the skin. So I'll fast forward through the motions. I'll just go and use my healing tool and go about the skin, try to do the best I can. At the moment I'm just fast forwarding, so it's not gonna be perfect. And afterwards, as I'm finished with the retouching, I'll go into the dodge and burn to highlight it, to make a bit of more of a contrast, to find out the details.
Vivando in un'isla trador di Dios. Nos tortim no dormi junto nos dos.
So yeah, as we're done with dodge and burning, you can see the before and after from Lightroom to Photoshop. So yeah, this is the final version of my edit, and now we're going to the photo challenge section of the video, where we're gonna showcase one photo edited by 6 different photographers. You can see every photographer really did their own unique spin on it, and that's something I really dig about it. It's the creative aspect of the editing. So they really came forward with their own unique style, and you can't ask for more than that. That's super dope. And now it's time for you to vote, to let us know which one was your favorite. And a big thank you to the photographers who participated in this challenge, and also a big thank you to the model Sylvie. And guys, do let me know what you guys think of the video. Let me know if you have any suggestions or ideas for a next quarantine challenge. You never know, if I like the idea, if I use it, I'll give you a huge shout out. And yeah, this was Glenn here from Some Visuals. See you guys next time. Peace.